Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Solana on Crypto.com and want to move it to your super secure Trezor hardware wallet, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, tailored for 2025. Why do this? Well, keeping your crypto in a hardware wallet like Trezor adds an extra layer of security against hacks and online threats. Let's dive in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a verified Crypto.com account with some Solana in it, your Trezor wallet set up and connected to a device, and the latest Trezor Suite app installed. It's always good to update for the newest features in 2025. Also, double-check that your Trezor supports Solana. It's straightforward, but don't skip this step. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log in to your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select your Solana balance. Next, hit the Withdraw button. That's usually right there on the main page. Step 2. Choose Solana as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll see a field to enter the withdrawal address. Here's where your Trezor comes in. Open your Trezor Suite, go to the Solana wallet, and copy the receiving address. Paste that address into the Crypto.com withdrawal form. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Trezor screen to avoid any typos or scams. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those in advance. Solana fees are usually low, but they can vary. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your Crypto.com two-factor authentication. Now, step 4. Wait for the confirmation. On Crypto.com, you'll get a notification once it's processed, and it should show up in your Trezor wallet shortly after. In 2025, Solana's network is even faster, so this might only take a minute or two. A quick word of caution: always use official apps and double-check everything to stay safe from phishing. If you run into any issues, Crypto.com's support is pretty responsive these days. And there you have it. Your Solana is now safely in your Trezor wallet. This simple process helps you take control of your assets. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.